I feel like everybody is just moving in slow motion and I'm just trying to make it to the hospital. Hey Sky, how you feeling?
Honey bunny, why are you walking away? Baby, lost your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say.
What's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. It's another day in the life and we are getting ready to head in Target, me and the girls.
Hey guys.
You say hey? Y'all, this lady in front of me, she's just like looking at me. I'm like, ah. But anyways, we're getting ready to head in Target. So tonight I told Sean that I'm going to give him a facial. Y'all, he loves when I do facials on him. So we try to do one once a week. He be wanting it more than that. So I've been trying to do one on him every night, but I keep falling asleep. Like, I've just been so tired. So tonight I was like, you know what? I am going to do this facial tonight. So I took a nap today and everything so I can stay up a little later after the girls go to sleep to do that. So I'm gonna go in here, get some stuff that I need. Maybe we'll do like a nice massage, you know what I mean? Little do he know, tonight is his night and tomorrow is your girl night, all right? Because I need me a full body massage. Hopefully I don't go in here getting the whole store. Y'all already know how it is. When you go in Target, you just come out with so much more than what you expected to get. Somebody said, girl, how do you be going out with 2 kids? Honey, I make it do what it do. You got... For one, I can't be stuck in that house all day. My nerves be shot. So I have to get out. So yeah, we about to go in here and see what Target have. And I'm gonna try to get some arts and crafts. Y'all know it's October, so I'm gonna get some stuff so Skylar can like start painting her pumpkin. We got a pumpkin. I think we may go to the pumpkin patch tomorrow, so that's gonna be so much fun. I'm so excited. You ready, Summer? Hey. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm looking at my camera and my battery's getting ready to go dead, so that sucks. Put it to your face. Ah, you're a scary skeleton. Let me just tell y'all something. We breaking records in the Robinson household tonight, okay? So when I was in Target, I just picked up this Sleep With Pure Essentials Oil Tranquil. Is a essential oil blend. It's a spray. So it says on the back you can spray it in the bath water. You can it's a hydrating body spray in the bath to freshen up any room. You can spray it over your pillow, whatever, okay? So I sprayed it in the bath water, y'all. They got out. I sprayed it on their clothes before I put it on, and I was just like brushing their clothes in the air, you know. I sprayed it on there. Tell me why it's 9 o'clock and they are both knocked out. They were both yawning like 8:30. They're knocked out. They are knocked out. Yes, y'all, go get you some. Like, I'm a fan and this is my first time using it. Like, what the heck? This is not sponsored or anything. I was just walking, yeah, I was just browsing in Target and I was like, this ain't gonna work. This is not gonna work. So I was just like, let me just try it out. And it worked. So for dinner tonight, I cooked salmon, macaroni cheese, and green beans, and it looks. I just got done cleaning up the kitchen and I'm getting ready to go get my shower. Sean is in here getting his shower now. So, like I told y'all earlier, we're gonna do like a little pamper night tonight. Yo, it feels so good. The house been like quiet, the girls sleep, like they in the bed, knocked out. 9 o'clock, that has to be their new bedtime. Like, so we're getting to catch up on Ghost, Power, or whatever. I guess it's called Ghost now. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. I know y'all are like, say good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning, Sammy girl. Say good morning. Y'all, I just got done cooking breakfast and I did something real simple today. I did like a breakfast sandwich. This sandwich be really good when I make it. So it's just eggs, bacon, cheese and syrup on it, and it tastes so good. I am getting ready to package some orders right now, and then I have to run out and do some errands. I have to drop these packages off, and then I have to go to the dry cleaners and pick up Sean's uniform. And I may do like a little shopping well, I may just go look around, see what different stores have. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today. Thinking about going to the pumpkin patch a little later so we can pick out some pumpkins so we can decorate and maybe carve. Everybody's just moving in slow motion, and I'm just trying to make it to the hospital. Y'all, Skylar got into some Tide Pods, and she came in there and she was like, "Mommy, my throat." She was like, "Mommy, it's spicy," and then I just smelled it all over. I was like, "What did you do? Did you eat it?" And she ate some of it, and I thought she was okay. She drank something, and I told you I had to go to the dry cleaners. And as soon as we got in the car, she was like, "Mommy, Mommy," and she just started throwing up everywhere. So I called whatever, y'all know, the control, and like, "Can y'all hurry up? Jeez." I called them, and it was like, if she's vomiting, you need to take her to the emergency room immediately. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Come on. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Hey Sky, how you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling, baby girl? You feeling okay? Sky, you feeling okay? It's good to see you smiling. So what? Y'all, Skylar is feeling a lot better right now. Her cheeks are still like rosy, but they just came and put like stickers on there to monitor her heart and chest area. Hey girl. Hey. Hey. So hopefully, I don't know if they're gonna let Sean back or not, but hopefully they do. Right? Hopefully they let Dad back. So we have finally left the hospital. This whole situation has just stressed my whole entire life. Like, oh my God. So we're at McDonald's getting ready to get Sky a Happy Meal. And then, hi, can I get a cheeseburger Happy Meal, no pickle, no onions on the sandwich? And then a caramel frappe, extra caramel. Okay. Medium. So, basically they monitored her. We was there for about 5 hours, and they just monitor her, y'all. So I was calling Sean and texting him, and when he got off work, he saw it, and I had said like I had to take Skylar to the emergency room, like I couldn't, and all that stuff. He flipped, okay? He flipped out like, what the heck? So he was blowing me up, cause you know, y'all know Sky Pie, that's his girl. So yeah, we're just leaving, and we're gonna get this Mexican restaurant that's near our house. That they're new and we haven't tried them before, so I'm super excited about that. He's getting that, and I'm getting Skylar's Happy Meal. You said what? What did you say again?
The extra time I usually have the meeting.
But I wouldn't say it's not like a good movie, you know? Up guys, y'all probably hear the water going down the drain. I just got out of a bubble bath / shower. Do you guys like to get your shower before you take your bubble bath or after you take your bubble bath? I guess it really doesn't matter with me. I haven't washed my face yet though. I just waited till I got out the bath to do that. So I'm getting ready to wash my face. But it is 12:24 at night. Today has just been a long day. Everybody's asleep, and I've been in the bath for like over an hour, maybe like an hour and a half, just sitting, chilling, relaxing, scrolling on my phone, just doing whatever. But I feel like I haven't done any positivity in a very long time, so I just wanted to share this with you guys. And it says, you get in life what you have the courage to ask for. And I just feel like that is so true. And lately, like the past couple of weeks, I've just been more intentional about, you know, waking up before the girls wake up and doing my devotionals and just taking time out of each day to intentionally spend time with God. And it's something that, you know, I always do kind of do devotionals. I just don't be consistent with them. Like I'll miss a few days or whatever, but I'm just so proud of myself because I've consistently been, you know, waking up in the morning. Even some mornings when I wake up late, I still make it, you know, no social media, no nothing until I do my devotional. I like to do it when the girls are still sleeping, but if they're awake, I turn on the TV, let them watch TV, and I read my devotional, I write my journal, and boom, you know. So I'm just trying to be more intentional about spending time with God. But at the same time, back to this quote, it says, you get in life what you have the courage to ask for. I have intentionally been asking God for certain things in my life. Just for example, the launch, you know, this is something that I've prayed about and I've asked God for, and he's just proven to me, you know, you ask and you shall receive. If it's in his plan, then he'll, you know, it'll come to pass. So I've just been trying to get more in the habit of asking God for things, and, you know, journaling down things that I want, and if it aligns with what God has planned for me, it will happen, it will come to pass. But why not ask, you know? It's either you get it or you don't. But I've been so intentional about asking God for certain things. And I am getting ready to wash my face and go lay down and just get me some rest. Oh my gosh, your girl is tired. I know I keep saying this, but I definitely need to get a schedule for you guys, and so y'all can know when to expect a video from me, because I be seeing y'all comments, I be seeing y'all DMs, like y'all snaps, y'all asking me when you gonna post another video, and then I guess some of you guys don't get the notifications even if you're subscribed. So it's like I'm posting videos, you're still not getting the notifications, so you don't know if I post it or not. So it's like you don't think I be posting. So I need to get a schedule so you guys can know the specific day and time to come back to my channel to see a video. So I'm definitely going to, you know, work on that, because baby, Vlogmas is coming up and I kicked butt last year with Vlogmas. Y'all already know, like, I'm just so proud of myself. I did it. I was 9 months pregnant with the toddler, like posting videos every single day at the same time, and it's just so crazy. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm trying to prepare for Black Friday because I definitely want to do some sales with Fearless Belle. I also want to launch some new products and different things on my website. So let me know down below. I already have some idea of different things that I plan on launching, but I want to get some feedback from you guys. What things would you like to see on the website? Oh my gosh, like I have so many different ideas and so many different things I want to do, but I'm just like, slow down, Domonique, take it one step at a time. I just don't want to put too much on my plate and whatever, because it's been crazy with after launching yesterday middle week. So it's been crazy with all the orders I've gotten. I think I've gotten over 100 orders, which was so unexpected. But yeah, let me know down below. Comment, what would you guys like to see from Fearless Belle? I'm thinking about merch, like shirts and stuff. Like, what is the one thing that I say all the time? What is one thing that I say all the time that you guys could see on some merch and that you guys would love to buy? I don't know. Let me know down below in the comments. But anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. It's been good sitting here chatting it up with you guys. Definitely keep Skylar in your prayers, y'all. I think I'm kind of up and don't want to go to sleep because I'm trying to keep an eye on her. Like, that girl scared the living crap out of me today. That was just a lot. I was not expecting to be in the emergency room all day long. Anyways, on a positive note, I'm glad that she's doing well. She is good. And thank you guys for the prayers. I posted it on Instagram and a lot of you guys was DMing me. You're so worried about y'all sky pie. But she's doing good. But I will see you guys in my next video. Yeah, I just want to talk to y'all right now, okay? I keep saying I'm gonna see y'all in the next video and then I start talking about something else, but I don't know. I just feel like talking tonight, okay? Anyways, I'll see you guys later, okay? For real. Peace out.